Hi, I'm Laurent and I'm happy to be with you today to show you how to make a phare breton. As you probably guessed it, I'm from France and I used to live in Brittany where this cake has been created in the 19th century. The original name of this cake is farce form. Farce, close to the Latin word far, meaning wheat, and form, meaning oven. It was then a wheat porridge made with wheat, milk and sugar, and it was cooked in a fabric bag. Today, although we usually add eggs, butter, rum and dry plum, this cake is still made with basic and pretty cheap ingredients. However, it's one of the most popular French desserts from Brittany. So now we are starting. So as you can see, this is very conventional material that you need. You need a blender or a whip. You need a saucepan. You need one small bowl. You need a bigger bowl. You need a mold like this. And you need a measuring cup. Now, if we talk about the ingredients, you will need 4 cups of whole milk, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 6 eggs, 7 ounces of petted dry plums, 3 ounces of salt butter, and some rum. So the first thing that you have to take is plums. So I have a packet of 16 ounces. So I just take half and I add rum. The second thing that you have to do is to preheat your oven. Temperature will be 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So now we are going to start the recipe. So first you have to crack the egg. And you add your sugar. Then, you whisk the eggs and the sugar until pale and light. Meanwhile, you heat your cream and your milk mixed together. You will also generously butter your mold and set aside. So now, as you see, the eggs are really hard and I add slowly the flour. When the dough is well smoothed, add the hot mixture of milk and cream and continue to stir. If you have a blender, don't hesitate to stir about 10 minutes. About 5 minutes before ending to stir, add the rum that you used to soak the plums in the batter and put your mold buttered in the oven. So now I'm going to take out the mold from the oven. Pour the batter into the mold and scatter the plums. Then bake in the preheated oven 1.5 hours. Half hour have passed, so now we are taking out the cake from the oven. Just add a little butter on top, like this. The cake is ready now, so you can enjoy the phare breton lukewarm or at room temperature, and you can conserve it 3 days in the fridge, preferably wrapped in the mold covered by a fabric. So I hope you enjoy this video and I see you next time. Bye!